Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you the state of my allotment after a winter of neglect. So as you can see, my polytunnel cover has come off. Miraculously, most of my equipment seems to have not gone nicked yet, which is rare, so that's good. The raised beds have got some onions left over from last year which are doing their thing, so it's nice to see. My herb bed has been thoroughly eaten and dug and needs lots and lots of care. This area is where the pear tree, lavender, iris and some other things. There's usually a bit of lovage here, some beans here. This plum tree did not do well last year. I got lots and lots of wasps inside my plums and they were inedible. So we're not allowed to get rid of this plum tree, so I'll have to have a little bit of a think about how to best care for it. This area at the moment is just completely unused. I dug it 2 years in a row. As you can see, it's gone back to grass. So again, have to have a think about that. My current thinking is that I want to do almost exclusively container gardening this year because I hate digging. Who likes digging, honestly? This area here I did want to be a plot. As you can see, it needs a big dig. There's usually some rhubarb. There's some rhubarb coming up. Another rhubarb here. This plot over here is fairly new, fairly easy to dig. The plum tree roots do get involved, which isn't ideal. In this bed are some dahlia bulbs which have been getting eaten. This raised bed needs fixing. The first year when it was fixed, the bed got far less eaten, so I think that's the problem there. This used to have my cold frame on top of it. The cold frame moved and the mud has all fallen out, so I will refill that this year. This small raised bed is fine, it just needs to be dug. Over here, got a little decorative allium coming up, and then this plot needs digging, this plot needs digging, got the remnants of some sweet corn. And then if I just take you right to the back of the allotment, oh, here as well we can do something. I think containers, because it's fairly flat. I think I'm going to double down with the black fabric and just put some more containers here. Over here we should already have some asparagus poking through. If not now, then over the next month or so. Unfortunately, it's also full of nettles, which makes eating asparagus a little bit annoying. Compost bin, atrocious, not looking composty, just looking weedy. Here I tried and failed last year to kill my comfrey. If anyone has any tips for killing comfrey, please let me know. This area is usually full of weeds and it's got bricks and stuff in here, so I haven't been using it, but when everything's died back I can see just how much room I'm wasting. So again, if I could maybe pull up all of the debris, get some black fabric down, we could use this area. This really is the rubbish heap at the back. I think this is a cherry tree. Well, it is a cherry tree. The rest is just, again, comfrey and nettles. This area over here is where we have our raspberries. So I love the raspberries, I love picking them, they're great, but it's intermingled with grasses and comfrey. It makes it really, really hard. There's no real rhyme or reason to where they're coming up. So ideally I would like to put some rows of the raspberries in and then just cover the rest up. This is another big slag heap. And then you can see there's just general maintenance, picking up stuff, emptying stuff to do. This is another pear tree. So that's basically where we are with the allotment in, what is it, the beginning of March. So I hope this year to do a few more videos and actually keep you updated with my progress. I'm hoping to have a more involved year. We will see. All right, thank you for joining me. Bye.